How to remove or disable the Captcha from Google Chrome. Hey guys, let's get started. While it is not possible to completely remove or disable the Captcha, but we can turn on Auto Captcha Solver for the Google Chrome. For this, open Chrome Web Store and here search for Buster, which is a Captcha solver for humans, with which you can now avoid to solve the Captcha and instead the application or extension will do it for you. Tap on Add to Chrome and then tap on Add Extension from the dialog box. Once you click on Add Extension, it will be added to your Chrome. Now tap on Extension and pin the Buster Captcha Solver. Now for the demo, let's try Captcha Demo. Once you tap on it, tap on I'm not a robot Captcha and you can see instead of solving, just tap on this Buster icon. And just by that, you have now saved or resolved it without having to do it yourself. And now it is solved, so you can just submit and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.